If you need to turn a PDF into an editable Word document, you don't need an online converter or any extra software. Microsoft Word can do it for you. Open Microsoft Word, select File, then Open, and choose Browse. Find the PDF that you want to convert, select it, and click Open. You'll see this message telling you that Word is going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. It also warns you that the converted document might not look exactly like the original. Click OK and give Word a moment to convert the file. And here it is. This was a PDF, but I can now click directly into the document, select the text, delete it, or type something completely different. So this is now an editable Word document. There's also a quicker way to do exactly the same thing. From the Word Start screen, simply drag your PDF file directly onto Word. You'll get the same conversion message. Click OK, and Word will open and convert the PDF. Now, how well this works does depend on the original PDF. A PDF that was originally created from a Word document will usually convert very well. More complicated layouts, lots of graphics, or scanned documents can sometimes lose some of their original formatting, so it's worth checking through the document once it's converted. When you're happy with it, go to File and save it as a normal Word document. And if you want to turn your edited document back into a PDF, go to File, Export, choose Create PDF XPS, and save your new PDF. So there's no need to upload your document to an online converter. If you've already got Microsoft Word, everything you need is built in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next top tech tip.